Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually get fish in Minecraft, which is pretty easy. Just go ahead and open your world, and what you gotta do, basically just find any kind of ocean, beach, or even place a bucket of water somewhere, and I will show you exactly how you can do it. And basically how to fish in this tutorial. I will not only show you how to fish, yeah, back to you guys. I will not show you how to fish fishes, but I will show you how to fish like in general, because in Minecraft you can fish and like even find like books of mending and stuff like that, instead of finding fish by fishing. Yeah, it's kind of complicated to be understand, but I will show you everything in a moment. So first of all, let's make it set day, no, time set day. Okay, so now what you have to get is a road. Let's find it here. So here it is, fishing road, and what you gotta do is get a bucket of water, or you can just like find an ocean or whatever you could find, and it will still work for you. So let's place water here. I don't know why I said water yeah, back then. Yeah, so what you could do now is just go throw your fishing rod in here. I have to go to game mode survival, and just like so. I have a problem with my fish. Oh, what the it disappeared. Wait, let's go back to game mode creative, get the road again, and let's try it. Okay, now it worked. So what you have to do is just throw your road and don't do anything else, just stay waiting for it. It will take a while if you don't have any enchantment on your road, but I mean between like 20 seconds or like 10 seconds, or even sometimes it will take 30 seconds. By the end of time it will give you a little bit of XP, and it will give you also item. Maybe it's gonna be fish, maybe it's gonna be like a book, enchanted book, maybe it's gonna be like another road, maybe it's gonna be like these bunch of random items that you could get from this. Like even they give you name tags and saddles. So I think I'm about to have it. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, it's really taken a long time now. Maybe because I'm peaceful, maybe because it's peaceful. Anyway, so yeah, that's how you can actually fish in Minecraft. It can take a lot of time. You can make automatic farm for fishing. You can like go AFK and make your mouse do the job for you, like and a lot of stuff. I will make sure to make you some videos about it in the future. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.